What's good, YouTube? I am E.Reap, and this is another video. So today we have a special video. Well, I want to say special video, but a special unboxing for me personally because I really wanted to shoot. And if you watch my Fire Red 4 video, then I kind of hinted towards it, if you caught the clues. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to cop this shoe. I thought I had it for way under retail, but Champs decided to cancel my order. So I gotta add Champs to the Foot Locker list because Foot Locker canceled my Fire Red 5 order a few months back. But shout out to Wonders Boutique because I got my Fire Red 5s. And shout out to Foot Action because I was able to get this shoe. Go ahead and get into it. Oh! And I also got a 25% off coupon for Foot Action. So, it expires January 31st. So I definitely have a good amount of time. So 25% off of $150. So I will show you the code and everything, but you know, I'm trying to use it myself, but I guess I can. Hold on, let me see. Look like an old man right now. But yeah, 25% off. All right, that's all I'm gonna show you. So I guess they're gonna be sponsoring my next pickup. So I want to say next pickup, but a future pickup. You got the standard Nike box. Nothing crazy. Oh yeah, let me know down in the comments if you like the way I've been doing the unboxings where like I hold it right here and then we see them at the same time. So yeah, just let me know. I'm gonna do it again for this one, but you know, going forward, just let me know what you want. So you know, size 12, of course. Got that Air More Uptempo and that black, white, and black colorway. So you know, Air More Uptempo, popularized or made popular by Scottie Pippens. So in this black colorway, it was worn during the '96 finals. Yes, sir. Definitely a fan, of course. I have the Olympic pair, so I will link that review up in the top left corner. There's a lot of links on this shoe, but you know, lint roller to get that out. Let's go ahead and get this close up real quick. Look at that. I know Mike Rich called these ant bed stompers, but you know, a lot of the early '90s basketball shoes, or just '90s shoes in general, were pretty clunky, I should say. Look at that, man. These shits are tough. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So glad I got them. Especially got them for retail, because I know when I was looking for them originally, was it this summer? When did I don't remember when I caught the Olympics. But whenever I caught the Olympics, I was like, man, I gotta double back and get the black OG color. And those prices were crazy. I want to say they were going for like $300 or $400. I want to say upwards of $400. Because the Last Dance documentary, man. Once people started seeing Scotty wear these in the finals, and then even the Rodmans that I bought, they were like overpriced. Luckily, I got them cheaper because it was an outlet pickup for the seller, and the box was chopped off, so they knocked down some of them. But the regular joints was still going for like $300. Well, yeah, these I think they were up there like $4 something, but now the price went down, of course, because the restock. But things are crazy. This with this particular pair, because it's all black and white, I won't do the detailed review because there's not a lot of details in this shoe. But I would definitely do the close-up. So yeah, with the 360, because I'm not giving you guys the full experience that I normally would, but just because I feel like all black shoe is not really much to show you outside of the initial look. So, but yeah, I'm definitely a fan of these. So we can go ahead and get into the Nike Air on the insole if I can angle it right. So yeah, there we go. Size 12, of course. Personal pairs only over here. Then you got the pull tab. You see the difference from the Olympic pair is that right underneath the pull tab there was a stitched 8, and that was his Olympic number. So he wore 8 and Jordan wore 9. So those are the only two. I think those are the only two shoes with different numbers on them. I know Jordan had the number 9 on his Olympic 7s, but every other 7 has a 23 on it. Then you got your Air units. Like the back one looks a little cloudy, but the ones on like the forefoot are more translucent. You can see right through it. Then the bottom of the outsole got the 2 swooshes, and then you got the Air on the heel, of course. Then you have a different traction pad up here. But yeah, overall though, very happy to get this shoe. Especially when I thought I had it, I want to say 2 months ago, maybe. So a month or 2 months ago, Champs. I guess it was a mistake on their part because they dropped them at a random time in the morning. And there was a sale code. I think it was like 25% off. Oh, speaking of that, I missed the Nike drop of these as well. I think it was like, I think they dropped at midnight. I don't remember what day it was. But I think I was at work, and I missed the drop by 8 minutes. So when I looked at my phone, it was 12:08, and I seen that either Soul Links or Sneaker Twitter, they dropped it. It was like, yo, live now on Nike US, and there was like a 20 or 25% off code. So by the time I got up there, the size 12 was still, the white box was still there. So I clicked on the add to cart, and it was sold out. So I missed these by 8 minutes to get them for the low and get them a little early, but it's all good. They still retail shorty over here. I can't wait to put these on. I think these are probably, well, they're not really going anywhere, but I try to figure something out to throw these on feet. Because just look at them in the camera. Like, that big ass Air on the side is crazy. You can't go wrong with black and white shoes. Like, this really reminds you like an old 90s basketball shoe. I mean, even though it is, but it's just like, you get that feel like, yeah, these retro. These like really retro. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this review, unboxing. Definitely happy to get these, man. I got a few. Yeah, I have a few video ideas on the way. I have some side pre-orders that should be on the way. I know 2 of them should be coming together, and then I have 2 more. I guess it's like a kind of like a pack, but not really a pack. Like 2 of them are like definitely a pack, and the other 2 can be viewed as a pack. I would say the same thing, you know, they're in the same family. But yeah, so that's 4 more videos on the way whenever they come in. Then I have some Black Friday pickups that I'm waiting on. It's gonna be another video. So yeah, I have about a good 5 to 7 video ideas just off that alone. And I mean, I'm sure something will come up, or you guys will give me some suggestions down in the comments. But I'm just trying to keep being consistent with the uploads. You know, I definitely want to keep growing as a channel. I don't want to get too boring for you guys. I want to just switch it up every now and then. Of course, I mean, I'm going to stick to my bread and butter. You know, I do sneaker unboxing reviews and streetwear reviews and pickups. But, you know, here and there, I want to add in something different like we've been doing with the sneaker game series. Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker game series. If you haven't checked it out, you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll definitely link both of them up top. Give it a few seconds so you can. I'm gonna try to do the blindfold guessing first, and then the latest one, which was Ashley guessing shoes, and I had to take shots. I don't want to give too much away, but yeah, by my tone right now and my body language, it didn't go that well for me. But yeah. So I want to keep that series going. So I think you guys really enjoyed that. You know, just switch it up. Give you something different from the normal unboxings. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are enjoying this channel. Road to 500 is still underway. Like I said before in my previous video, I definitely want to hit that 500 subscriber mark before my birthday, which is January 5th, 2021. So it's a little over a month away. I think that'd be a dope birthday present. Because, you know, I starting this YouTube out for the third time and actually taking it serious this time. I didn't know that I would even make it to this point. Well, we're at 323 as I'm filming this video. But I love when I can say we're at a certain number, and then by the time I actually post a video, we've exceeded that number. So right now we're at 323. So hopefully when this video goes live, we're like 350. I mean, it's possible, but let's see where we at. But yeah, I didn't even think I would make it this far, especially, you know, with everything going on with COVID and we were quarantined, lockdown. I didn't think a lot of people would be looking at sneaker videos just because a lot of people are out of work. And if you don't have any money, you're not going to be looking at shoes to buy. And I don't think people are just looking at shoes just to, you know, see what's next or what's coming out or what's out there if they're not like actively trying to purchase. Unless you're just watching for me because you're entertained, and I definitely appreciate you. I really appreciate you if you just watch me for entertainment purposes. So that's why I want to, you know, switch up the channel to give you guys a little something more than just the sneaker unboxing that you may or may not even be interested in. So yeah. I'm just rambling now at this point. It's 13 minutes. Oh yeah, this video is getting long. And I see this video is long and I didn't even switch the camera. So yeah. It's been your boy E.Reap. It's been another unboxing / detail review. One more time for the Pippens. Oh, I'm so excited. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.